Hi everyone! In this video, we will have a look at the new features in Universal Multi-Importer 2.0. As a reminder, it's a Blender add-on to help you import data, and this update is of course also free. The basics of this add-on are the same. You can import any number of file formats from the same import dialog, process them with the command batcher, both while keeping the viewport interactive. So, if you want to have an in-depth view of those points, I would recommend you to watch the previous video on this topic. Please note that 2.0 came with many UX and UI improvements, and by consequences, some parts will not be 100% relevant anymore. And this will be my first point. You will now have a unified and redesigned windows for setting each format parameters. Instead of getting a pop-up for each format like in 1.0, you will now have a cleaner, better layout windows for a smoother experience. You can also preview the files that will be imported, adjust the file selection after the fact, having statistics on the number of files, the size of the import and the different formats that will be imported. And for each selected format, you can set up their setting from the same windows and save import preset too. The second key feature is that you can recursively scan for files in folders and subfolders. It comes with a specific import mode that you can find under Files, Import, Universal Multi-Import folders. Then you can choose for a root folder and a recursion depth, which represent how deep in the hierarchy you want to search for compatible files. Of course, the too high recursion depth may catch a really high number of files and slow down your system, so please bear that in mind. Third point, the add-on now supports appending and linking blend file, importing images, videos, and BVH animation files. And last but not least, on Blender 4.1 and above, you will be able to drag and drop files from the Explorer to import them. You will get a prompt to choose the file importer you want. You can just pick Import All to import them with this add-on. Dropping files on the 3D viewport will import them in the current collection, whereas dropping them in a collection of the outliner will automatically link them to the collection under your mouse. If you press Shift while dropping the file, the import settings window will be skipped, and the add-on will use the last settings that you used. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. As usual, the add-on is available for free on my GitHub. Linked in the description. Any comments or feedback are more than welcome. Cheers!